Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating basics. Type the exact URL and include the correct protocol because browsers treat HTTP and HTTPS differently. Next, verify your connection, switch networks or run a quick ping to the host to see if the site is reachable. Once done, open the browser console and note the precise error text. This shows whether the problem is DNS, 404, or a redirect. These first steps narrow the cause fast and tell you which diagnostic path to follow next. Now you dig into DNS and server behavior. Use ENSLOOKUP or DIG to confirm the domain resolves to the expected IP and that CNAME point correctly. This identifies DNS propagation or record errors. Then, try the site's IP directly in your browser to see if DNS is the culprit or the server itself. After that, check response codes and headers. 404 means missing resource, 403 is permissions, 500 signals server errors, so you know whether to fix routing, file paths, or backend configuration. To resolve the issue, apply the targeted fix. Update DNS records and wait for TTL or clear DNS cache locally. If redirects are wrong, correct. htaccess or routing rules. If the resource is missing, restore the file and set proper permissions. If server errors persist, check logs and restart services. Once corrected, make sure to clear the browser cache or use incognito to avoid stale responses, then rerun console and network checks. If the problem remains, use the error code you captured to continue troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.